Breaking now at 6, charges dropped in the criminal case against actor Kevin Spacey. Spacey was accused of groping an 18-year-old on Nantucket back in 2016.
But prosecutors say the accuser is no longer cooperating in this case. We want to get right to WBZ's chief investigator and lawyer, Cheryl Fiandaca, with the very latest. Cheryl.
Well, you know, Lisa, because of that, prosecutors say they're not able to go forward with these charges. Now, Kevin Spacey had been accused of groping an 18-year-old man in a Nantucket bar back in 2016. However, during a July 8th court hearing about the accuser's missing cell phone, he asserted his Fifth Amendment right not to testify, believing his testimony could incriminate him. The cell phone became an issue because prosecutors said it was evidence that included text messages and photos the accuser sent to friends that night about the alleged sexual assault. Spacey's attorney said some of those messages and others were deleted from the phone, which went missing. Without the phone and the alleged victim unwilling to testify, the Cape and Islands District Attorney dropped the case and released a statement which said in part, the complaining witness was informed that if he chose to continue to invoke his Fifth Amendment right, the case would not be able to go forward. After a further period of reflection, he elected not to waive his right. A civil suit filed by the alleged victim against Spacey was also dismissed, ending all of the court cases. Lisa, Liam.
All right, so Cheryl, can Kevin Spacey now sue for damages in this case?
Well, he would have to sue for defamation of character. Very, very high bar because he's a public figure. So he would have to prove that the allegations were false, and he would have to prove that they were malicious. There was a malicious intent behind pursuing them. As for any kind of malicious prosecution that he could file against the DA or the police, again, he'd have to show that there was absolutely no merit to these allegations. An extremely high bar.
He may want to just make all this go away now.
Seems like that would be a reasonable choice.
All right, Cheryl, thank you. The accuser's attorney, Mitchell Garabedian, released a statement that reads in part, "My client and his family have shown an enormous amount of courage under difficult circumstances. I have no further comment at this time."